You may have spotted the construction on Poyntz Avenue in the past few months. That's because of renovations to Wareham Hall, which will make it a new event hub for Manhattan. Emma Baldwin has more.
A renovation on a historic building like Wareham Hall includes careful coordination between each faction of the team.
There's been a lot of collaboration between obviously us, the design team, the ownership team, just making sure that what the ultimate end goal is accomplished. There is a lot of parameters that we have to do since it's historic, have to be able to make sure that we're following certain guidelines while still being able to make a really cool end project.
Having bought the building next to it, the team is looking to transform the space by putting in a basement, a second venue, and improving the main theater. With the demolition phase mostly over, the current focus of the construction is to create a basement and put in the foundations.
We're kind of currently finishing up a little bit of our demolition, starting to really get into the roots of the foundation. The portion before buried a lot on the side walls. Our current stuff has a lot more underground foundations, a lot more steel. So that's kind of the portion we're at right now. In the next couple weeks, we'll have a lot of concrete that finishes up. Entering into the steel phase, that kind of gets us going for finishing up the structure. So
the need for a medium-sized venue in Manhattan prompted the creation of Wareham Hall Incorporated and the Renovation Fund, both nonprofit organizations supporting the cause. More spaces for entertainment like Wareham Hall can help expand the art sphere in town.
We have a lot of great spaces that are really big, like McCain, and a lot of great spaces that are really small, like Annie Mae's. We wanted to be kind of that middle size for students, for townies, everybody alike.
The hope for when the project is finished is that this space will help bring the community together.
What the community has to look forward to the most is just a place to come together and celebrate more of what we have in common than what we have that separates us.
Wareham Hall will return to its old purpose, a place of entertainment for the whole community. In Manhattan, Emma Baldwin, Channel 8 News.
The project is currently scheduled to complete in the winter of 2027.